Okay. Good morning, students. Do you have any idea about the term gender? According to you, what this gender mean by? Any one of you? Okay, gender, you are saying it mean by male and female. Okay. Any more idea? Transgender. Okay, this is the second idea. Any more? Sex. This is the fourth idea. But gender, by the term, these male and female, these are the parts of gender. These are not mean by gender. By the term gender, we mean it's a social concept. And in this social concept, there are the two components, that is male and female. Now, question comes, we all know gender, this male and female gender is common. But we are now witnessing one term in our society, that is equality, and that is linked with this gender. How? Can anyone tell me how gender is linked with equality? Any idea? Yes. Come on, First, someone is telling that it means equal identity. One more? Okay, someone is saying equal justification. Both are two correct. Both are two the objectives of gender equality. But we as the student or as the process in the teaching learning process, we will mostly concerned about the idea of the role of various bodies, how it creates gender equality in the society. So today's topic, we will deal with role of various bodies in gender equality. How this is possible? What are the various ways how this role of various bodies can be possible? First, any one of you tell me what are the various bodies we are talking about? Someone of you are telling institution. Okay, appreciated your word. Next, teachers. Okay, very good. Next, talking about one more. Okay, you are not saying, I am writing it's peers. So these are the three mainly bodies which talks about the concept of gender equality. Now question comes, why an institution will talk about gender equality? We know a common term which relevance, that is patriotic. Patriotic means it is a male dominant society. Now in this male dominant society, by the various samples of gender, we have male and female. So if I talk about only the male dominant, the female section of the society is being deprived, is being less nurtured. This is not expected. I will mostly focus on the equality where both male and female dominant will be talking about. Hence, institution plays an important role in creating gender equality. And here we are mostly talking about educational institution. This educational institution, how it plays an important role in gender equality. Now, this educational institution can plays role in various ways. One by one, can anyone tell me how this educational institution can plays an important role? First, language. Okay, language. Next,
education regarding genders.
Education. Okay, you are talking about education. Next, uniform. Next, gender roles. No, gender roles cannot be. It can be the textbook, and one more someone is saying, that is infrastructure. Okay, how this thing can play an important role in creating gender equality on the level of institution. Textbook. While we are reading the textbook, we should always have equality. That is, if I give a male example, I should give a female example simultaneously. If I give a female, I should come with a male. Alternative example should be provided continuously in order to provide the equality in the textbook. Next come uniform. Uniform plays an important role in gender equality. Uniform should be common in all prospects except the biological differences should be ignored. Male and female should have a common uniform in the classroom setting. Next we come with the education. In education prospect, the teacher should have the concept of introducing gender studies in the classroom, because if these gender studies can be promoted, mostly the sex education, it can be imparted upon the student, then student will have more live example of this gender concept. Lastly, we come with infrastructure. The male and female respondent should have equal agendas, equal way of existing in the school or college or university premises. It can be library, it can be washroom, it can be the classroom. All these things should have equal benefit for both male and female. Next we come with teachers. What is the role the teachers can play in promoting gender equality? Any idea from your end what the role the teacher can play? The most important role teacher can play is participation. Very, very important point the teacher can play to promote gender equality in the classroom is participation. How? Teacher can include all the students, both male and female students, in the classroom to promote or engage in every function, in every activities, in every assignment, in every classroom function. Both the male and female student should equally perform to ensure that there is equal participation in the classroom. Next we come with the peers. This is the most important concept regarding the various bodies. How? Consider the peers. Peers means they are your classmates. Now when the classmates will be talking about you, you should make a classmate with both male and female student. Why? Because both male and female student should be treated by you equally, because if you doesn't give respect to everyone, how can you expect respect from others? So in this class we have nurtured about what are the role of various bodies, which includes the institution, which include the peers, which include the role of teachers in promoting gender equality in the classroom. Hence, we will finally conclude it with giving your assignment. Discuss the role of peers in classroom. In promoting gender equality. This is your assignment, which we will discuss in the next class. Thank you. This is the part of your role in the classroom session.